What's going on, guys? Something serious to unbox another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to pin a comment on your Instagram post. Let's get on into the video. So guys, the first thing you have to do is you want to open your Instagram app. After you open the app, you're gonna go to your own profile and you're gonna open one of your pictures. I'm gonna choose this one, and after you're on your post, just click view all comments, and you'll see all the comments, and you're gonna choose which one. If you wanna pin the comment, like which comment. Like if I want to do the first one, just swipe right and it gives me the option to pin the comment. And if I click the pin, it's gonna take like 1 minute to pin it. We're just gonna wait. That's it. Let's just wait a little bit. And here we go, the comments are pinned. Everyone can see it right here now. And this is pretty much how you do, guys. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.